Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is the showstopper, the crowd puller, the beast from the east, the queen of the skies, has so many names. This is Emirates A380. It's just going up with 4 turbo Rolls-Royce engines, about 650 tons weight. What a colossal double-decker fuselage. So stunning and marvelous. And look at the size. If you compare the size of A380 and A320, Airbus A320, look. It's obvious who is the daddy. So one of the best airlines in the world, Airbus A380, Emirates, is number one in quality. If you talk about the food, its crew members are very courteous, very humble, very helpful. If you see the interior decor of A380, it's stunning, marvelous. And the quantity of food and the quality of food they give you, oh my days, no one can match. Best airlines. You know, after this plane, if you go on this plane after that, I think there's no any comparison. Giant 4 colossal Rolls-Royce engines, and proudly produced in UK, in the United Kingdom, in Derby. Look at its wingspan. Slowly and gradually it's taxing. It's taxing with its style, elegantly. For your interest, viewers, I think 650 passengers can easily board on this plane. It's the biggest passenger aeroplane made ever. But unfortunately, in 2022, the A380 series being stopped because of after the coronavirus. I think it was not economical. All the activities were shut down. So unfortunately, this big boy being stopped and manufactured in 2022. But still we have lots of A380s in service. And this year its a younger brother, A350, has been launched as well by Emirates. But to be honest with you, there's no any comparison between A380 and A350. EasyJet. This plane has just landed and it is Jet 2 holidays. Oh my god, look, its livery is beautiful, its color is so nice, very eye-catching. Livery is so nice. It's very economical, easily available. Seats are easily available if you go on website or you go to either airport. You can easily get its seats. And they offer really nice holiday packages as well. Beautiful aeroplane. Here's our big boy, A380. It's so lackadaisical. It's been stopped. So Jet 2 is going towards its hangar. That is the parking lot for Jet 2 holidays. Big boy is still stopped there. This is the cargo section. Watchtower. All the cargo planes are parked here in this area. So these are all the solar panels. Mostly all the clean energy is generated through these solar panels, which is very good for environment and help us to reduce global warming, which is very contentious issue nowadays. Now the big ball is finally moving. Now it's taking turn for the final takeoff, approaching at its final takeoff position. And here we go.